What's wrong with the key?
What happened, Bella? Nag-red na, oh.
Parang ayaw na yung key namin. Eto, 60-70. Tama naman po.
Can you just open the door? Asan ba yun?
Na-access natin yung elevator eh, girl.
Uh-oh. Problems. It's okay. Asan yung Starbucks, Clara? Till now, wala pa yung Starbucks. My drink, medyo complicated. Allah, hindi. Nope. Yan ang sinasabi ko. 3 shots.
Oh.
Walang soy. That's what I was telling you. I'm just gonna buy it myself. You want me to have diarrhea tonight? Yes, may whipped cream. Trap. Oh. Hindi. You know what? It's okay. People make mistakes and, you know, it's fine.
Sorry, please.
It's fine. Waiting. Medyo nagka-technical difficulties. So first song done. So now we're gonna wait for what? 3 hours?
2 hours.
Wait for 2 hours. And ang dami namin chips! So we'll see you guys in the next song. Sorry naman.
Voice, no? Roots po yan. Roots. Roots. Tingnan mo yung plastic ni ate. Ganda, no? Nakaka-ano? Roots.
The supot. Ano bang meron? Fruits.
Roots. Actually, bag puno ni Chris.
Anong laman nun with the fruits?
Fruits. Okay. Bakit ganun? Tama ba? 60-70? Pero I have another key.
Oy.
Why? Chris Lord. I wonder why. I wonder how. I wonder how.
Baka nakakaano yan, internet.
Sino nagbukas? Dude, this is weird. Sino nagbukas?
Baka network.
Wala. Hindi nyo konti na?
No way. Hi.